Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick but thorough tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove data validation rules from your Google Sheets. Whether you've inherited a messy spreadsheet, want to edit things more freely, or just need to clean up some old restrictions, by the end of this video you'll be comfortable clearing data validation from single cells or entire sections, so you can get back to focusing on your data without any unexpected pop-ups or limitations. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up the Google Sheet you want to work with and make sure you're signed in. Now, to get rid of data validation on a cell, you'll need to start by selecting the cell itself. Just click on it, nothing fancy here. If you need to remove validation from a range of cells, you can highlight a whole row or column too. Sometimes it helps to take a quick look around your sheet. Maybe spot those little drop-down arrows or warning signs indicating data validation is applied. Selecting the right cell from the start will save you time later. Once you've got your cell or range selected, head up to the menu bar at the top of your screen and look for Data. It's up there alongside File, Edit, and so on. Click Data, and from the list that appears, choose Data Validation. This is the control panel for all your data rules and restrictions. If you've ever wondered why a cell only lets you enter dates or pick from a certain list, this is where all that is set up. In the Data Validation pane that pops up, you'll notice a list of rules applied to your selected cell or range. Take a moment to hover your cursor over the rule you want to remove. Don't click just yet. When you do this, you should see a tiny trash bin icon appear on the right side, almost like you're about to toss out a piece of paper you don't need anymore. Go ahead and click that little bin, and just like that, your data validation rule is gone. This is handy for when you only want to clear a specific rule in a specific spot. But maybe you clicked on a rule instead, totally fine. When you select a rule, you'll see more details pop up, and at the very bottom, there's a button that says Remove Rule. Just hit that and you'll achieve the same result. It's always good to double check that you're deleting the right rule. If you're working in a team sheet or shared document, don't worry, removing data validation only affects the selected cell or range, so you won't accidentally mess up unrelated data. Now, what if you have a bunch of rules you want to clear all at once? Say you want to strip down a whole column or spreadsheet so you can start fresh. Google Sheets has a shortcut for you. Below all the list of rules, there's a handy button labeled Remove All. Clicking this clears every data validation rule from your selected range in one go. It's a real time saver if you're cleaning up after an old project or template that came cluttered with tons of restrictions. And that's the whole process. Whether you're removing a single pesky rule or wiping the slate clean, you now have complete control over your data inputs in Google Sheets. Don't worry if it seems a bit daunting your first time. After one or two tries, it'll feel as easy as tidying up your digital desk. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips to share with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.